What's going on, guys? Alright, so in this video I am going to be talking about this product research tool. It's called Minea. I've been using this for the last few months, and I actually really like this tool. I've used a lot of different product research tools throughout the years, pretty much all the biggest ones out there, different ones from private developers and pretty much everything in between. So I'm going to be going over some of the features here and then kind of just giving some of my thoughts on how I feel this measures up to some of the things I've used in the past. So let's get right into it. So first off, there is a free trial, and you do get some of the features for free. I am currently on the $50 a month plan. It's actually a little bit more because it's a European app, so they have their price in euros. But this is the plan that I'm currently on, and these are the features right here. So 10,000 credits of analysis. So basically this works on a credit system. You get 10,000 credits per month, and then those credits are used up as you analyze different products and use the different features and things. I've found that 10,000 is plenty for my purposes, which, by the way, guys, if you want to test this tool out for free and get some free credits to kind of play around with the different features and analyze some ads and things like that, I do have my affiliate link down in the description, and you'll also get a little bonus that way as well. And so for this plan, you get access to the Facebook ads spy, the Instagram placements spy, Snapchat placements, Snapchat ads spy, advanced filters, access to Chrome extension. And that is pretty much everything that I need when it comes to product research. But obviously, if you have more advanced needs, you can get the bigger plan and get Pinterest ads, shop analysis, influencer analysis, and some extra things like that. So that is the price. Again, there is a free version, and you get access to some basic features with the free version. But let's get right into the Facebook ads spy. That's the main purpose that most people are going to use this for. So Facebook ads, this I find to be very user friendly, and it's really geared towards e-commerce dropshipping in particular. So there's a lot of really cool products on here, and it's got all the standard filters that pretty much every ad spy tool has. You can filter by, let's just go ahead and test out a few things here. I'm going to go ahead and filter by the United States, Canada. I'm going to go ahead and put English. I'm going to filter this to, let's just do Shopify. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put scene date. I'm going to open up the advanced filters right here, and I'm going to put creation date. So basically within the last 30 days, these are all the ads that were created, and I'm going to sort it by, let's go ahead and do shares. So over the last 30 days, these are the ads that have been shared the most. So a lot of print on demand right here. Hello Kitty sweater. So this little vegetable cutter. Okay, so very good filters. I mean, again, these are pretty standard filters on most spy tools, but I find the UI of this tool very simple and kind of easy to navigate. So I like that a lot. And then one of the really cool things about this is if you want to get more information on a particular ad, let's just say this one, for example, I'm going to open it up. And now I have access to a lot more information about the ad. I can see how it's trending over time. Now this right here is actually different than a lot of tools out there. A lot of tools do not tell you what what audience is being targeted. So in this case, I can actually see that this is being targeted 100% to the United States. I can see that 44.4% of the audience is female, 55.6% of the audience is male, 40 to 50 is the age range. So 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and 40 to 50 is the age range for this campaign. So that is very useful information to know. We can scroll up here and I can see what's in the actual ad copy. I can open up the ad itself, or I can go to the product page. So let's go ahead and open up the product page. And now I can see, they're selling this t-shirt for $19.95, and look at their landing page, very basic, Shopify template right here. So that's, in terms of showing the information that's absolutely necessary, I absolutely love that it gives you access to these details right here. Another feature that I like is when you're going through, you're searching for different ads, you can add, if you see something that you like, you can add it to your list and it will save it on a list for you. But probably one of the things that I find myself using the most, and just it's so simple to kind of get an overall view of what's happening in the market, is if I come over to lists right here, and if I come down to the top 100 winning products, this is the top 100 products basically in the entire dropshipping e-commerce space. It's updated periodically, and I can go through and see all of these different e-commerce ads that are basically making people millions of dollars right now. So if you're just trying to find something real quick and test it out and test different things and see what takes off, this is a great way to come in and just get a quick view at everything that's going on, everything that's making people a ton of money right now. So that's pretty much the main features of this tool. It can do quite a few more things, but for most drop shippers, the main purpose is obviously just going to be looking for different Facebook ads, TikTok ads. This tool has a lot in the works in terms of what they're going to be adding. With TikTok ads and all kinds of new stuff that they're talking about adding to this platform. So how does it stack up against other tools that I've used? Well, in terms of the search filters, it's pretty standard in that regard, but it does have those additional demographics that a lot of other tools do not. So that in itself is a huge plus. In addition to the user interface is just very simple and easy to navigate, easy to use, and the top 10 lists and the top 100 lists are just awesome. I love getting in there and looking at those lists to get a quick overview of what's really working in the market right now. So with those factors, this is my absolute favorite tool as of right now. That could of course change as time goes on, and obviously there's always people out there making new tools and different things, but as of right now, this is my absolute favorite spy tool in terms of checking out Facebook ads and top selling products that are getting a ton of traffic and making people a ton of money and all that good stuff.